Coach, congratulations for this victory. Like the first round of those straight sets, very tight ang laban. So what can you say about this match, especially Adamson, humahabol for a Final Four berth?
This game is very important for us because syempre nagiging crucial na yung mga matches and magandang way to pave yung mga next few games pa namin. So we're just happy and we just have to continue training and preparing for our games. Yun lang po. Happy Easter!
Thank you. To Banshee, 12 attacks, 3 service aces, 7 exceptions, and 3 digs. So yun nga, Adamson, one of the title contenders, pero nagawa niyong ma-sweep niyo sila sa elimination round. Pero both matches are maigpit. So ano masasabi mo na yun nga, naitawid niyo and nasa on track kayo to finish at number 2 at least?
Syempre, happy kami kasi nakuha namin yung win ngayon and hindi rin kasi namin dapat, nire-remind lang din namin yung mga sarili namin talaga na kailangan namin paghirapan lahat. Hindi pwedeng madaliin. So, ayun, happy lang ako kasi nakikita ko yan sa mga teammates ko na pinaghirapan din talaga namin.
Thank you. Lambs, you're on point tonight. 20 excellent sets, 1 attack, 1 block, 1 service ace. So, yun nga. It's a very important match, especially you're trying to stay at least sa top 2. Your thoughts about this win?
Ayan po, first of all, very happy ako sa ginagalaw namin ng team. And syempre, ayun nga po, crucial matches na po yung mga natitirang games din. And mas magpo-focus lang talaga kami sa paano pa kami mag-i-improve. At ayun lang po.
Thank you so much, Lambs. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, can you talk about gano'ng crucial na itong win na to, yung still second place, alam naman natin yung mga nasa baba nyo, medyo dig pa sa standing, so gano'ng crucial na itong panalo ito?
Syempre, very crucial siya because everyone is gaining strength. Gumagaling yung lahat. Naglilinis ng mga laro yung lahat. So, happy kami na napagdaanan na lampasan namin to and hopefully we get more wins in the future.
And ito na ba yung na-conform kasi ito na ba yung na-conform sa'yo yung galaw mo, ito na ba yung gusto mo makita sa sa'yo mas may hinahanap mo pa as we approach yung mga last few games ng elimination?
For me kasi, lagi ko lang din kinakausap si self. Charot. Hindi. Kasi, dalhin lang talaga yung sarili. Kasi kapag nadala ko naman yung sarili ko, susunod naman yung mga teammates ko, which is hindi magiging mabigat sa akin.
Adam's first full game in terms of playing from start to finish. So, take us through lang how, I guess, you approach this game, handle this game, and yung extended responsibility today compared to your previous games so far this season.
Ako naman kasi, always ready naman ako kahit anong mangyari. And of course, yung mindset ko talaga naka-stay focus and kung ano man yung ibigay sa aking role, itatanggapin ko talaga para lang sa team. Ganun po.
And Coach, syempre po with that po, there's many observations po in terms of yung center rotation niya. So, parang with all those things, like Lynn said, and today nga po na Lambs getting that rotation, how would you really describe yung situation, dynamic, how it works from your point of view?
Syempre as coach, we have to be very objective all the time and we cannot discredit lahat ng efforts ng mga tao and we just make sure na malinis lang kami every game and mag-connect talaga. Yung connection talaga namin should be 100% all the time. So at least nakukuha na namin ngayon yung gel chemistry and hopefully mas malinis pa namin in the future, especially with the setters and their connection to the spikers.
With Abby po ba not playing today, parang it's just a coach's decision po ba or may specific?
Coach's decision naman siya, pero syempre, why ruin something good, di ba? Maganda yung ginagawa nila, so bakit tayo? Okay naman si Abby rin also, for sure. She's going to play well then if she was there. But for now, Lambs is working with everyone and the connection is perfect. So, a win of one is a win of all. Yun lang po.
Lambs, first full game na from start to finish. Ano na siguro masasabi mo sa connection kumbaga from you as a center to your spikers and sa middle? Kamusta yung connection mo within the team?
Ako naman very happy kasi nag-start po talaga yan sa training. pinagtrabahuhan po talaga namin ng mga spikers yun since from the last game medyo kulang pa. So going towards the next game naman, ayun, sana mas matrabaho pa namin ng maayos po.
Coach, next game is UE. Nothing to play for now, but obviously, nothing to play for kasi UE, pero obviously, yung mga ganung team minsan yung pinaka-nakakatakot din kalaban. So, thoughts lang of playing UE next.
Just prepare like how we prepare with other teams. We cannot be too overconfident and we cannot be too relaxed. Kailangan talaga every game, every point, we do our best. So hopefully, madaanan din namin siya. Same as today.
Coach, very important tong match na to. Kasi syempre, one loss would force ties. Syempre, mahirap naman yung ganung sitwasyon. Lalo na nasa home stretch tayo ng elimination. So, ano yung mindset ng team right now na aside sa one game at that time, ano yung mindset?
Ang mindset kasi namin is to win lahat ng games. Syempre, everybody wants to win every game. And mindset lang is to get all the help ng lahat ng tao so that we can move forward in every game ng mas maayos. So hopefully, makuha pa namin yung mga next few games namin and we just have to play together.
On that note, congratulations, Coach
Thank
Reg
you.
Lams, and